All right, well, when I was in medical school, the decision as to which specialty I was going to do was a big one. And as I went through all my clinical rotations, I found that I kept coming back to the pediatric side over and over. It's a very rewarding field. It's a pleasure and a privilege taking care of these children, and it's always a pleasure seeing them get better and seeing the reassuring look on the parents' face when we help them with the problem that they've been having. Working with children is definitely a unique and special privilege. The kids are very sincere in terms of how they're feeling. If they're not feeling well, it's very obvious, and when they're feeling well, it's also very obvious. And when you make them feel better, it is definitely very rewarding. It's a pleasure taking care of these kids, and what I like best is seeing their smiles and seeing when the parents are reassured and happy and comfortable knowing that their kids are going to be just fine. Here at Mercy Children's, we have specialists in all the different fields, all the pediatric subspecialties and general pediatrics as well. We have the ability to handle all sorts of cases, and we have experts in all these fields. Here at Mercy Children's, we don't turn anybody away. We treat all kids who need to be treated, regardless of their ability to pay or not, which is the core of our mission, basically. I think it's important for everyone who's able to give to whatever charity they feel is most important to them. My personal feeling is that we have many needs in this community. We have many children with needs in this community. My personal preference is to try and give that money locally to support the kids that are in our community. A lot of the kids in this community that we see that benefit from Children's Miracle Network have very complicated medical situations and have gone through a lot more than most kids that age should. And Children's Miracle Network does a great job in providing services and gifts to these families. As I previously said, I think that donating to one of these types of organizations is something we should all do if we're able, and keeping that money local for the kids to be able to use in our own community, I think is the right thing to do.